Good morning, student. We came another session of rate measure, and here I am going to discuss two our problems. What are the problems? Again, cone problem is there. What is a cone problem means? A water tank which is in the shape of inverted cone, and the what they are given the semi-vertical angle of the cone, what they are given here, they are given semi-vertical angle of the cone theta. If you are taken, they are given theta is equal to tan inverse of 0.5, and water is pouring into the tank. What they are doing? They are filling with water. This time they are filling with water at the rate of 5 cubic meters per hour. Then find the rate of change of depth. Depth nothing but height here. When height is 4 centimeters. Okay. Actually, what you have usually what you let R be the base radius, H be the height, and theta be the semi-vertical angle, V be the volume of the cone. Then what we have? Then we have V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h, and theta is equal to tan inverse of r by h. Theta is equal to tan inverse of r by h. Here observe there. Here both r and h both are the variables, but we have to reduce this equation of the value into the terms of only one variable. Whether we have to shift into r or we have to change into h means clearly what they are spoke about. They are asking the rate of change of height. Hence we have to reduce this equation into terms of h. That means we have to derive the relation between h and r. In the sand problem they are given directly. Always height of the cone is 1/6 of the radius they are given. No, like that here also we should derive the relation. But here what is that given means? Here given tan inverse. Now here what you are going to get, observe there. Tan theta is equal to what you are going to get? R by h. Further, theta is equal to what they are given, observe there. Tan inverse of 0.5. That is nothing but tan theta is equal to 0.5, nothing but you can write as 1 by 2. Now tan theta, both are tan theta, no? R by h is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore R is equal to h by 2. R is equal to h by 2. Okay. Now what we can write? Therefore V is equal to what we can write, observe there, 1 by 3 into pi r square. R square is nothing but h by 2 square into h. Therefore what you are going to get, V is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into h square by 4 into h. Finally what we are getting, V is equal to 1 by 12, 3 4 is 12, pi by 12 into h cube, pi by 12 into h cube. Now go for the differentiation. If you go for the differentiation, what you are going to get now? dV by dt is equal to pi by 12 into 3 into 3h square into dh by dt. 3h square into dh by dt. Now finally what they are given, dV by dt? dV by dt they are given 5 and h they are given 4. This is 3 ones are 3 4s are. Therefore 5 is equal to 5 by 4 into what is there given? H is they are given 4 square into dh by dt. Okay. Now here dh by dt, now what you are going to get, this one is, observe there, this you are going to get, this 4 and square gets cancelled. 4 pi if you are taken, dh by dt is equal to what you are putting here, 5, that is 5 by 4 pi meters per hour. Otherwise, if you not find this answer, what is the pi? Pi is the 22 by 7. 1 by pi means 7 by 22. If you are multiplied this one 5 by 4 into 7 by 22, you are going to get 35 by 88 meters per hour. This answer compulsory. It is going to be available. Okay. Now, once again I am explaining this formula. Be careful. Listen carefully. What they are given? They are given as a water tank has the shape of inverted cone. Okay. In which semi-vertical angle is tan inverse of 0.5 and water is pouring at a constant rate 5 cubic meters per hour. Then find the rate of change of its depth. Okay, when its depth is 4 meters, they are asked. Inverted code means this one. And what is the compulsory basic sentence? So many people are going to start the problem from here. But if you write this sentence, it gives so much impression on you. What is the sentence? Let R be the base radius, H be the height, theta be the semi-vertical angle, and V be the volume of the cone. Then we have what you have right. Then we have what we have. V is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h and theta is equal to tan inverse of R by H. Now, if you are going for this one, what you are going to get? This is the R and H, both are the variables. That means we have to reduce this into single variable. That means we have to derive the relation between R and H. But what they are given, theta is equal to tan inverse of R by H means tan theta is equal to R by H. Now theta is equal to what they are given? 0.5 means tan theta. Taken tan inverse this side become tan theta is equal to 0.5 nothing but 1 by 2. Therefore R by H is equal to what you are going to get? 1 by 2. Therefore R is equal to H by 2. Later what we did observe there? We are taken here. Substituted this one is R is equal to 1 by 3 into pi, H by 2 whole square into H. This become H square by 4. Now finally you got the V is equal to pi by 12 H cube. V is equal to pi by 12 H cube. Further, if you are differentiated with respect to t, you got the dV by dt is equal to H square by 4 dH by dt. But what is given? dV by dt they are given as 5 and H is given as 4. If you have substituted, you are going to get dH by dt is equal to 5 by 4 pi meter per hour. If this answer is not available, means finally you can conclude what is that one? Pi nothing but 22 by 7. 1 by pi means 7 by 22. Multiply with 7 by 22, you are going to get 35 by 88 meters per hour. This is the one basic and beautiful problem. Here I am came with one more problem. The problem name only shadow problem. Problem name only shadow problem. What is a shadow problem means? Here they will ask one problem like this. A man is walking away from a light post and away from the light post at the rate of 5 km each or 4 km each or that velocity will give. And then you will ask what is the length of the shadow? Length of the shadow decreases or increases, you will ask the question. Usually this is the diagram, basic diagram. I am taking, this is the AB, that is AB is equal to height of the light post. Height of the light post. And here I am taking this is equal to capital H. And CD, this is the CD. CD is equal to height of the person. I am taking this as a small h. Okay. Now AC nothing but a distance between person and the light post. That I am taking it as the X. And C, I am completing with this one is the E. Now CE is equal to here height of the shaft. I am writing this is the Y. Okay. Now E is given, H is given, small h is given, capital is given, small x dx by dt. Now we have to find the dy by dt. Okay, before that we have to derive the relations. Clearly observe that these are constructed on a same, that means here clearly what we can write, observe that triangle ABE and triangle CDE are similar. Therefore, what you are going to get here, observe there, opposite side AB by CD, opposite sides is equal to adjacent sides, that is AC by AE by, observe that, AE by CE. AE by CE. Now, when you got AE by CE, now what is the AB here? Capital H by H is equal to AE x plus Y. Why? Because here AE is equal to AC plus CE. Now what you are going to get? X plus Y by Y. Take the cross multiplication. You are going to get HY is equal to HX plus HY. Take the Y terminology one side. Then HY minus HY is equal to HX. Now take the Y common. If you have taken Y common, what you are going to get here? H minus H is equal to HX. Finally, what you got after that? Y is equal to H by H minus H into X. Now differentiate with respect to t. Dy by dt is equal to what you are getting here? H by H minus H into dx by dt. This is the common solution for any shadow problem. This is a common solution, but basically you have to write neatly. Don't go for directly H is equal direct. This is the common solution. Observe that way of the learning the problem. You should learn the method but not the problem. Here, first one they are given, whatever they are given, you have to keep in mind. That is, I am taken AB is equal to height of the light post, CD is equal to height of the person, AC is equal to the distance between light post and foot of the person, and CE is equal to height of the shadow or length of the shadow. Okay, length of the shadow, you can take the height of the shadow, whatever maybe. Next, here, if you draw the diagram, you came to know that what is that? Triangle ABE and CD are similar. If therefore the similar means they are the ratios, the ratios of their sides are in proportional. That's why I am taking AB by CD is equal to AE by CE. Now what is the AB? AB is equal to H. CD is equal to small h. Therefore X by H is equal to what is the AC? AE nothing but AC plus CE. That is nothing but X plus Y. That is nothing but here you are going to get X plus Y. Therefore X plus Y by Y. Okay, by taking cross multiplication, what you got? Hy is equal to Hx plus Hy. Take the Y terminology this side. Hy minus small hy is equal to Hx. If I taken Y common, H minus H is equal to Hx. Therefore Y is equal to H by H minus X into X. This is the formula to remember for the CET directly. Small h by capital H. You can directly need not write in the CET all this. If you remember this, you can answer any shadow problem. Now come to the PU problem. Now what they are given, observe there now. Here they are given capital H given. Height of the light post, what they are given, observe there. Height of light post is 6 meters and height of the person is 2 meters and is moving at a rate dx by dt. Dx by dt they are given as dx moving at a speed of 5 kmph. 5 kmph. Now what is the answer? dv by dt. Now what is the dy by dt? dy by dt is equal to h. That is 2 by 6 minus 2 into 5. That is nothing but 2 by 4 into 5. That is 2 1s are 2 2s are. Therefore 5 by 2 km ph. 5 by 2 km ph. Okay. This type of questions are going to be asked now. Newly JEE started now. In that one numerical questions are there. In that type of numerical questions they are going to be asked. This is the 5 by 2 means you have to express in that one is a 2.5. That means 0002.5.50. That we have to express the answer. This type of problems you are going to get in the numericals. Okay. Please keep in mind and solve once again. Here they are given heights of the persons and person and light post and distance between they are asked. It forms a right angle triangle. They are constructed on the same sides. That's why they are similar. Now when the triangles are similar, observe there you have to take the ratio. You got finally dy by dt is equal to h by. Up to this one is a common solution. Later whatever the values are given, this is only solution of the different problems. Sometimes they will give instead of kmph they will give feet per hour, feet per second, feet per minute, centimeter per second, like that. Whatever they are given on, this is the shortcut. This is the common solution. Later you have to substitute the values. You are going to get the required one. Okay. Thank you. Further, you have to solve some problems. Here in the important thing is, here most and most important thing is, in that one, reading the problem only very important. What is the content to find? That is, he may ask a circular plate is heating. Means in that one, circular. A stone is dropped in a quiet lake. That is, waves are generated means they are also circular. A cubical ice, edge of a cubical ice is melting. Cubical ice is melting means it is a cube. Okay, conical tank is filling. Sometimes oil is draining. In the problem we are solved, water is filling. No, oil is draining from a conical tank at the rate. Then what is the rate of the decreasing in the radius? Also sometimes ask. Height of the sometimes ask. That means whatever the relation, we have to derive the relations by reading the problem. Reading skills are very important. Be patient to read the problems. You can solve very easily. In this one material I am given first all of the diagrams with the diagrams, formulas I am given. Read that problem formulas first, then you can solve all the problems. If any doubts are there, please comment in the comment box. Especially this is for only Prerna P College students, Hubli.